In this video, we will look at the process to schedule shutdown of your virtual machine running on AWS. As you run the virtual computer using the browser or virtual computer connection client, you will simply close the browser or log out from current session in the client. Due to this, the virtual computer continues to run without any actual usage. If the virtual office exceeds the usage limit, it will lead to additional charges as per your plan. Now, you can reduce the runtime of your virtual computer when it is not in use by scheduling automatic shutdowns. You can schedule shutdown of your virtual office at any hour based on your requirement. You can schedule it to shut down at the end of office hours or showroom closing time when you know everyone using Tally Prime has logged out. This will help you to manage the running cost. The schedule process is simple, flexible, and has option to allow users delay the shutdown. You can select the day and hour of shutdown. Let us consider the business with working hours 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday and 9 to 2 on a Saturday, with Sunday being the day off. You already know that once the system is shut down, it will automatically start when any user connects to his virtual computer. To schedule shutdown, open the self-service portal. Enter your login ID, password and PIN. The portal opens with list of all the computers linked tally.net ID. Click on the action column. Click Manage Shutdown Schedule. The Manage Shutdown Schedule screen appears. You will see a schedule already appearing in the screen. This is the default shutdown time pre-allocated to your virtual office. You can edit or delete this schedule by clicking in the Action column. To add a new schedule, click Add Schedule Time. In the Add Schedule Time screen, select Time in the Shutdown Time field. As per the business, you are discussing the shutdown time must be 5 p.m. as the office closes at 5 in the evening from Monday to Friday. The option Daily is selected in the Recurrence field when you create a schedule for all 7 days of the week. If you create a schedule only for weekdays, this option will change to weekly. In the Occurs On section, select Monday to Friday as the days of occurrence. Uncheck Saturday and Sunday. Click Yes in the field Allow users to delay shutdown by 1 hour. By enabling this, you can allow the users to delay the scheduled shutdown by an hour by clicking Delay in the notification shown before the machine shuts down. If the user clicks OK in the notification, the machine will shut down as per the schedule. Click Save. The new schedule is added to the shutdown time list in the Manage Shutdown Schedule screen. We have taken care of shutdown on weekdays. Now for Saturday. Click Add Schedule Time. Select the shutdown time as 2 p.m. In the Occurs On section, select only Saturday. Uncheck all other days. Select Yes in the field Allow users to delay shutdown by 1 hour field. Click Save. The schedule is added to the shutdown time. In case you want to add more than one schedule for Saturday, you can add them. For example, the 2 p.m. schedule on Saturday allows the users to delay the shutdown. But you can add another schedule at 5 p.m. where delay of shutdown is not enabled. In this case, users can keep delaying the 2 p.m. shutdown till 5 p.m. and the machine will shut down at 5 p.m. The virtual machine with all the virtual computers will shut down at 5 p.m. on all weekdays. However, if delay shutdown is enabled, then a notification appears to delay the shutdown. When you click Delay the shutdown is delayed by an hour and you will get another notification at end of the additional hour. You can again choose to delay. When you click OK or close the notification, or don't take any action, then the system will shut down as per schedule. And on Saturday, the machine will shut down at 2 p.m. and if it is delayed, the machine will shut down at 5 p.m. as per the second schedule. You will get a shutdown message without the option to delay before shutdown. By scheduling the shutdown, you can reduce the non-usage runtime of your virtual machine and keep it running only when you need to work on Tally Prime. You can also ensure the system is shut down regularly without someone remembering to switch it off.